Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. So in this video, we're going to be talking about JAMB registration for 2025 and also the documents that you need to carry to the CBT center for your JAMB registration. Also, I will be telling you guys certain things you must not do as you're registering for your JAMB 2025 so that you don't miss out in your admission, because one single mistake is enough for you to not get admitted into university this year. So watch this video as far as you can to grab all the information that I will be telling you in this video. Hope you grab. Let's get straight to it, guys. Let's start with the first one. That is the document or what you need to take along with you as you are going for your JAMB registration 2025. So the number one thing you need is your NIN number. If you don't have your NIN slip by now, better go get it or start going to local government council now to get your NIN slip. Without your NIN, you cannot register for JAMB, and you cannot use your mom's own, you cannot use your siblings' own, you cannot use your dad's NIN. Make sure you have your NIN. That's the most important document you need for your JAMB registration. So the second thing is mobile SIM. Mobile SIM. You need your own personal SIM, and also make sure that that mobile SIM is also linked to your NIN. Don't go and use your mom's SIM. Don't go and use your dad's SIM. Make sure you have your own mobile SIM and make sure that that SIM is also connected to your NIN. Hope you understand. So the third thing you need is an active email address. Creating an email address is something you can do under 2 minutes. So if you don't know the password to the email you are using right now, better go and create a new one and use it for your JAMB registration, because you need to know the email address. You need to know the password to that email address, because the password to that email address, that's what you use to be logging into your JAMB portal to check your JAMB results when it drops. Hope you understand. So make sure you have an active email address and you know the password to that email address. If the email address you are using right now, you don't know the password to it, better create a new one and then find somewhere and write it down, the email address, and then write down the password so that you don't forget. Okay, so the next thing you need for your JAMB registration is JAMB profile code. JAMB profile code. So that's why also you need to get your own SIM card. So how do you get your JAMB profile code? You just get your JAMB profile code by sending your NIN number to 55019, and your JAMB profile code is a 10-digit number. Yeah, so you send your NIN number to 55019, then they will send you your profile code. Every candidate has their own profile code. Two people cannot have the same profile code. That's your own identification number. So no two persons have the same profile code. Hope you understand. So the third document you need is your O-level result. For those of you that have taken WAEC before, or maybe JUPEP or IJMB, you can take your result alongside with you. They can help you upload. Some centers will help you upload as you are doing your JAMB registration. Meanwhile, some may not accept to upload it at that moment. Anyone shall. And also, if you have not taken WAEC by now, you don't need to stress yourself. You can also upload it later. So don't worry yourself about that one. So the next thing we're talking about now, this one is very important. Let's move into the second part of the video. Certain things you must do and certain things you must not do, so as not to start complicating your admission process when the time comes. So the number one thing is correct subject combination. Let me give you this instance. Imagine you want to go for medicine and you are choosing maths, physics, chemistry, and biology as your subject combination. You know you cannot get admitted into university again because your subject combinations are wrong. So make sure that you choose the right subject combination, because once there is a mistake in your subject combination, that's automatic no admission for you. Hope you understand. So make sure that your subject combinations are correct. And if you don't know your own subject combinations, you can watch this video that I made last year. Yeah, I listed almost all the courses and also their subject combination. So just watch the video. So the next thing is make sure that your details on your NIN is the same thing you are giving JAMB. If your name on your NIN is Maduako Chubby Gideon, make sure that what you are giving JAMB is Maduako Chukwubikem Gideon and not Chukwubikem Gideon Maduako. Hope you understand. Make sure that you arrange them the same way it's on your NIN. Hope you understand. And also when you get there, don't use because the person that you went there with is 17 years. You now go and lie that you are also 17, meanwhile you are 16. That is automatic. No admission for you because everything you have on your NIN must be the same with what you are giving JAMB. So please give them the correct information. Don't go and lie. Don't go and lie that you are 20 years, meanwhile you are 17. Please make sure you are giving them the correct details. Okay, so the next thing is your biometrics, that is your fingerprints. Make sure that on the day when you are going for your JAMB registration, make sure that you don't have all those highlight designs. I don't know the right pronunciation, but I'm talking about this. Make sure you don't have it on your fingers because that stuff can actually disrupt your fingerprints. So make sure you don't have it on your fingers on that day of your registration so that they will be able to take your fingerprints easily. So I hope you understand. So the next thing is ensure that you provide the right details to JAMB, be it your state, your local government, anything. Make sure that you are giving them the correct details because whatever you give, whatever you provide to them during the registration, that is what you carry out throughout your school days in university. Hope you understand. So make sure that you are giving them the correct details. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video for today. See you guys another time.